really crispy. Eat! Big waffle. 150-gram standard flour. We need a 20-gram cornstarch. Let's see, 1 teaspoon equals to 4 grams. So 5 spoons. 5. Yeah, a little bit. And then we'll also need a little bit baking powder, 4 grams. 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. Mix them together. 1, 2, 60 grams of sugar. Now we're going to use the mixer, mix it together. Should be done. Wow. Now we got 80 grams of milk. Vegetable oil. Wow. Now we need to give a really good mix. Mix it gently. Oh, it's really thick. And then pour this liquids into the bowl. We got that safe. We're gonna pour it inside slowly. Pour it slowly. Now we need to make sure we mix them together properly. I like these cute bubbles. Anyway, just mix. Now we're gonna leave it for 20 minutes and let them mix properly. Cool. It's heating up. Now we're gonna pour it inside and see how it goes. By the way, before I do that, I need to get some oil. Little bit of oil will be fine. Cool. Easy. Oh, I can feel it's heating up. I'm just going to pour a little bit, not too much. I need it to go evenly. Let it go even. Let it go evenly. Oh. Make sure like a half filled, that will be alright. No need all of them. Last one. Yeah. We'll put the lid on, and then you can't leave it for fully cooked. You need to tip it over. 1, 2, 3, go. Let the liquid goes to the other side, and in this way the one goes into like an egg bubble shape. And give a little bit. I prefer to give a little bit of shake. Make sure the liquid goes to the wall properly. Should we open and have a look? Slowly but surely. Ooh, it's cooked already. And I prefer the color goes a little bit brown and a little bit dark, so I will leave it a little bit longer. The New Zealand seedless rainbow berries, New Zealand lemon curd, really great. Ooh. Manuka honey, our really popular New Zealand Manuka honey. Let's have a look. 100% pure Manuka honey. Okay. Ooh, the first one down. Let's make more. Now let's get some berry jam. I think the berry jam is super good. The berry one definitely is the best one. There we go. Another one. Oh, hot. I like this color. Brown, light brown color. Woohoo! Guys, it's a little bit burnt. So crispy. Can't stop. So good. Oh, so good. Bon appetit! Enjoy the yummy food made out of egg. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. And don't forget to click the button and subscribe my channel, and I will share more cool videos and more cool activities, cooking, teaching, all the things with you. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye. You don't need any like sauce or the other caramel. It's good as it is. Wow. Perfect.